Hello everybody, it's Wayne Schwartz again for AEP800. This is my fourth video for instructional tutorials, and I'm choosing Desmos. So Desmos is an math application that can be used in pretty much any math class, but I use it particularly for higher level math. And the reason I chose it is because it's got awesome resources for teachers and students, and it also has a graphing calculator app, which is extremely useful. Some of the resources here, if you scroll down, sorry, there's activities for teachers. So if you log in a free account, you can see I'm already logged in here. There are so many activities that are really great for students to use. You can even have them join through a class code. So again, if you're hooked up to Google Classroom or whatever platform you use, it'll work. So it's geared towards students, but also even for teachers to use. So, you know, anybody who can use that. The thing I like about it, for me personally, is the graphing calculator. I love it because for higher level math, it is very visual and pretty simple to use. Now down here, you can click on the keyboard and students can type in any kind of equation that they want. It's really easy to type in. For example, if I want a cubic equation, I can just go pretty simple, x, then I hit this thing, and then I hit cubed, and it'll do that. And then I could just keep going on from there. I'll just put maybe an equation so you see it. Okay, something like that. Let's go plus. And then, so the cool thing is that students, you can zoom in or zoom out. I can put this down, you can see that. So students can draw graphs. They can also draw multiple graphs on the same. You got your tables and everything here, so it's a little bit easier to use than the TI. You can add another graph instantly if you want. So if I wanted to put like another graph to see maybe where the graphs crossed, which a lot of math and algebra we do that. So I could put in, so there's a line, so I could do that, or I could throw in that case, a parabola, and then it shows the intersection as well, which is important for a lot of problems. So the graphing calculator is a visual thing, especially in higher level math where students can really utilize it. A very powerful tool, very powerful. I love using it. I can also get any kind of activity, blank graphs, examples here. If you come over here, I can save the graph. Students can save, they can print graphs, they can share graphs, all kinds of stuff. So it's really awesome. So lots of possibilities here for students. There's also activities that teachers can utilize. And again, TPAC 1, 3, and 4, you're designing and developing digital learning experiences for students. Some of these activities here, I know I'm getting close to time, but here, if we just look at a couple activities, you can go here and for teachers or students, like I could put them in groups and they can explore any of these cylinders. It's really nice. And if you want, you could view them all. Distance learning algebra, how appropriate. Distance learning algebra 2. So if I wanted to focus on a particular subject, I can go to that subject by topic and get some really enriched, meaningful activities for students that go beyond just here's a pencil paper problem, do it. So anyway, hope you enjoyed that. Desmos, very powerful tool. Thank you so much. See you next.